So today we are in Bedford, where we have just finished building this brick-built outdoor kitchen, and I'm going to be showing you how we built it from start to finish. So this is a beautiful brick-built kitchen that we've just completed today. So the spec on this one was just a simple L shape with a pizza oven, a grill and a fridge. Instead of matching the bricks to the existing house, the customer decided they wanted a little bit of a contrast, so we matched them to the bricks you can see along the top of the wall there, and it works really well. You've got the yellow bricks and the red bricks. It just breaks it up. There's not too much of one color. So for this build, on day one when we arrived, we started filming. So I set up the camera on time-lapse where myself and Alex were here doing the brickwork. So let's go back to day one and see how we started, and it will guide you through all the way to today. So this is day one on site, and we've just arrived. So it's 8 o'clock in the morning, and this is the space that we have. We've got this this lovely Indian sandstone patio down, and we've got this pergola that's just been put in. So we're going to be putting in an outdoor kitchen, an L-shaped one, coming around like this, and it's going to be done in brickwork. There's going to be a pizza oven in the corner, a barbecue and a fridge, and I think they're going to be having a TV on the wall as well. So this is day one. We're going to start getting everything ready and start loading it out, and we'll check back in later on. So we are now at the end of the day, and you can see the progress that we've made. So we've got all the brickwork up on this side here. We've got the fridge going in there, so you've got the two openings. Over here we are actually going to have brickwork going across there as well. There will be a door in there, and that's where the pizza oven is going to go, in that corner there. And then over here you can see the brickwork here. We're going to have a double cupboard underneath there with the barbecue above it there, so that the grill and the door are going to be along this end. So we'll have workspace there, pizza oven, and then lots of workspace above here. And I think the clients are talking about putting a television on the wall there. So really good progress today, and we'll be back tomorrow morning to get the brickwork finished. And we've also got the granite templators coming in tomorrow sort of lunchtime, so we'll see you then. So the brickwork has now been completed. We've just given the patio a spray down, a wash, just to clean it up. So there you go. So you can now see the structure of the kitchen and what it's going to look like. So we are now just waiting for the worktops to be templated. Then we'll wait a week, and then we'll come back and install the appliances and everything else. And there you go. So you can see the process of how we got to where we are today. The only thing that I didn't manage to film was the installation of the worktops, because I couldn't get here. We are in Bedford today. Obviously we're based in Bournemouth. It's quite a long way away. So the logistics of getting up for everything is quite difficult. But so what I will do now is I will just run through the kitchen and just show you all of the things that this has got. So let's look at the worktop to start with. So this is called Absolute Zero. It's like a polished black granite, really nice. It's got a lovely sort of speckled effect in it. and it looks really, really good against brickwork as well. So underneath here we've got the Beefeater double fridge, which you may have seen before in our other videos. Coming along to here, so we've got a Beefeater single stainless steel door here. That's underneath the oven, and so I'll talk about the GOZNEY in a minute, but this under here is for storage of logs and for the gas tanks as well. Above here is the GOZNEY dome pizza oven. This is a dual fuel, so this will run on gas and wood as well. That's a really nice piece of kit. Coming over to here, you've got the BEEFEATER S3000 barbecue. This is a 5 burner, so this is a ginormous grill. It's nearly a meter wide, so plenty of cooking space. I have actually done a review of both this, the 3000E, and the 3000S, which is its stainless steel counterpart. I have done a review for that. If you're interested in this barbecue, I'll leave a link up there. And I'll leave a link in the description as well, so you can, after watching this video, you can go along and have a look at that, and in that video I will tell you everything about that barbecue. But this is, yeah, a beautiful barbecue, 5 burners. You can feed lots and lots of people with this. Underneath the grill we literally have the double stainless steel doors, and that is purely for storage and keeping the gas tank in as well. So when you pan out as well, and you can see the whole space, you can really see what an incredible entertainment space this is. You know, you've got your outdoor kitchen over there. Over here you've got this sofa, like chill out area, and then you've got the dining area over there, and you've got this pergola over the top of it as well. So it just goes to show from day one, just a clear patio, what can be achieved. This is the perfect space to relax with friends and family and entertain. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you want to see more like this, subscribe to the channel and smash the like button as well if you've enjoyed this video. We do have a Facebook and an Instagram account. If you want to go over there, we try and post a couple of times a week, just showing you what we are currently up to. And that's about it really. So thank you very much for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.